How to use Android's Live Caption feature. Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video we are gonna guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. Open up Settings app on your device for that. And once you find settings, you can scroll down and look out for accessibility. Find it up and tap on it. And within accessibility, you can just go over and look out for the option for talkback or something like that, or hearing enhancement, and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you should be finding option called live action. You can select it. And once you select that option, you just need to turn this toggle option to switch the live action option. So turn this option right there. And once you do so, what will happen is if any kind of sound is detected, it will automatically turn the caption on your screen. You can even look out for languages. You can tap on languages. And then you can select up what language. Currently we only have English, but more languages are coming soon, so you can do so. And even look out for profanity. If you want to hide profanity, you can do so. If you want sound levels, you can turn this option on, and even you can turn on this option for volume control if you want to use the volume control to do so. But usually this is how you basically turn on the Android Live Caption feature and use it. And you can start up any video, podcast, or call with audio and press either of the volume button down or up, and you can look out for the live caption icon that appears under the volume slider and use it. And that's it, everybody. You may follow up this process for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.